Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So, on the example of the program called PDF-XCHANGE editor, when we edit, for example, our OC add documents, and they are large documents, I would say more than 50 or 100 pages, it's better not to waste time, because you will lose too much time, as I had lost. And to make what we need, for example, we are going to clean some dots like this one. We are going to select sentences, it as edit objects and text elements. So in order to type or to retype or to recorrect words, so you see, in order to remove dots, spots, so what we need for that? We need to assign hotkeys, not to waste our time for large documents. So such keys also. So what we need to do? For example, we need to find first what we need, our preferable menu. Then we click. For example, I need to assign a key to select and delete. This is for deleting dots, to clean pages from different dots, spots, and so on. So I click on it with right mouse. With right mouse, no, I need to click here. I can click here, for example, edit text. And then with right mouse click. Then I click the last point, settings of panel settings, and then I select second point, commands. This is a menu for hotkeys. Then I just need to write the name of the key you need in your language. If you use in English, you write in English what is written here. For example, I am going to select and cut, so I type it in my language. Okay, here it is, the same. Let's check. The same. As you see, there is no hotkeys. Assigned. So what I do now? I click on it 2 times. Then I click here. I assign a hotkey. For example, CTRL Shift A or CTRL Shift E. One of them. Let me put again. Then I click assign. Then I click yes, OK, or confirm, whatever you have in translation here. I click then on close button. So now let us see. I click here, and as you see, we have this hotkey assigned to this command, select and cut. So such a manual it is, in order to do that more freely, more with no problems, because Without hotkeys for large documents, you will lose so much time that you can use half of your life. So glorify the God forever.